everyone, welcome to my dance tutorial. Today I am going to teach you the new choreography. The song name is Ore Chirilka. Okay, so I am going to teach you the basic lyrical Bollywood dance steps. Yeah, so let's start. Come on, first position. Let's join together. Yeah, and stand like this, look down. After that, look straight and right hand here, then left hand here. Okay, right hand, left hand. And now, with this right hand, you have to bend towards the right side. So bend right, then bend left. Easy? One more time. Come on. 5, 6, 7, good. Look up, right, left. After that, you have to keep your hands like this, 1 and 2. So there is a word, Nanni si chidiya, means small bird. So Nanni si. And with this hand, you have to go like this. You have to do bouncing on your knee. Okay, 1, 2. Yeah, let's do with the hands. 1, 2. Again, from the beginning, first step. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? Okay. Let's move on the next step. So after this, you have to take a step out from your right leg and do 1 and 2. 1 and 2. It is only 2 times. 1 and 2. Look towards your left hand. Yeah? Again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's try with lyrics. Yeah? 5, 6. So I am going to sing the word and doing a dance also. Okay. 5, 6, 7, go. Ori chiraiya, nanni si chidiya. Yeah? Okay, easy. Let's do the next step now. So after this, you have to go right side and left side. Very simple. So what you have to do, you have to swing your right hand towards the right side. Swing your left hand towards the left side. Okay. Again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. Easy. Now next step, keep your both hands straight. And do 1, 2, 3, 4. And move to the right, then left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, let's do from here. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's try this all the step on lyrics. Yeah? Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. Ori chiraiya, nanni si chidiya, अंगना में फिर आजा रे. Yeah? और एक बार करते हैं. Come on. 5, 6, 7, look. ओरी चिड़ैया, नन्ही सी चिड़िया, अंगना में फिर आजा रे. Yeah? Okay. Let's move on the next step now. So, next step, you have to bend towards the left side. Okay, so you have to go down on your right knee, hands like this. Yeah, so 1 and look. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and look. Now second knee also down on the floor. Keep your both hands straight. Yeah, and after that, walk front in 4 count. Small step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, let's do again. So from here, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now let's try this steps also on lyrics. So we are here. So lyrics are set, but steps are changed. So this because this is the second part. Second para, sorry. 5, 6, 7, go. Ori chiraiya, nanni si chidiya. Okay? Come on. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Ori chiraiya, nanni si chidiya. Okay, I think itna clear हुआ है. Let's try. Let's move on the next step. So you have to lie down on the floor like you're sleeping. Okay. See, I'm sleeping like this, like a small baby. You also try. You all are already small. So sleep on the floor. After that, step out from your left leg and get up. Yes. Again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Next step. Turn towards the left. Both legs like this. Very simple. Keep your hands behind and slowly go up. Look back and lift your pelvis up. Make a table like this. Yeah. And down slow and do 1, 2. Yes. One more time. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Let's try from here. Before that, I am here. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, let's start from the second part. Yeah, so the first part का जो steps था वो हमने यहाँ पे finish किया था. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. Ori chiraiya, nanni si चिड़िया, अंगना में फिर आ जा रे. So आ जा रे, but you have to get up. Yeah. Then turn. The next word. अंधियारा है गाना. Yeah, clear? One more time. Come on. Okay, let's try all the steps from the beginning till end with lyrics. Okay, come on. 5, 6, 7, look, go. ओरी चिड़ैया नन्ही सी चिड़िया, अंगना में फिर आ जा रे. ओरी चिड़ैया नन्ही सी चिड़िया, अंगना में फिर आ जा रे. अंधियारा है घना. Okay, so finally first para and second para, all the steps are finished. Okay, now it's up to you. Keep practice at home. Watch this tutorial proper and meet me in next part. Okay, so bye, see you. I'm going to do dance on this same song. Now I'm going to play the music. Yeah, so be ready. Let's start. Come on.
ओरी चिड़ैया नन्ही सी चिड़िया अंगना में फिर आ जा रे। ओरी चिड़ैया नन्ही सी चिड़िया अंगना में फिर आ जा रे। अंधियारा है घना और लहू से सना, किरणों के तिनके अंबर से चुन के